Here is where to find the EXODAR portal to learn if you are a mage and you don't know where to find it. So if you want to learn these portals, the portal to EXODAR or the teleport to EXODAR, you will have to come right here in EXODAR. Alright, so we are located in the Azuremyst Islands, in the EXODAR right here, the capital, the main city of the Draenei. So once you get here, we have to look for the Outland portal. You can use it as a waypoint. You can find it right here. Alright, so I'm located right here in EXODAR, and right next to the Outland portal you'll find this NPC, Lunaraa, and let's speak with her, and she will teach you the teleport to EXODAR at level 20 to teleport yourself, or at level 40 you can learn the portal to EXODAR so you can teleport all your party with you. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out to learn these portals as a mage, and thanks a lot for watching.